Sandugo winning the first 2 sets and comfortably leading here in the 3rd set, 16-10. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Naringo together with Mozzie Ravenna and Michelle Datuin.
And a violation called against the Philippine Navy, a net violation. So another point added to San Sebastian.
Sandugo.
Sangdugo. Sabi nga parang isang dugo. Yan paling tawagan ng mga tao sa mountains, mga kapatid natin. So ikaw, sandugo kita. Parang kabayan, parang ganyan. Galing, no?
Yep. Oh, sorry, evening na pala, no? Sorry. Lost
Nakakulong
track.
tayo rito eh.
Oo nga, lost track of time.
Oh, and Taiwan coming up with that
Dunk.
Oo eh. Dunk ang itsura, power tip / quick hit.
/ tomahawk. And Axel is the official outfit of the Shakey's V-League. Roses has been spending a lot of time in that service area.
Mukhang may tent na nga eh.
Oo.
So, pinansin mo, ayan.
So, 11 serving, 18. Mai Prochina will try to add some points to the Navy call. Good serve. Taiwan.
Quintero Sale getting blocked by Taiwan. Ano naman ang gusto ko kay Quintero? Challenge ko nga to.
Yeah.
Subukan ko lang naman.
Well, we haven't seen Arasi. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shaky. Yeah, we haven't seen Arasan come in. So anyway, timeout, Navy.
Tama na yun ha. Tapos na yung mga error natin. Kaya pa natin nabulin yun. Magtiwala kayo sa sarili nyo. Ang layo naman yun sa outlook. Mamaya ang pinagkumpay. Ngayon eh, ayaw. Nasunurin siya sa matanda kasi yun ang sinabi natin. Oo. Kitang-kita eh. Sige, okay lang yun. Bawi na kagad, bawi na kagad. Kaya yan ha, kaya.
Well, Jeng Boli still serving for Sandugo's comfortably ahead 20-11, and they're going up against the Philippine Navy.
Well, partner, you know, Sandugo up in this game by 2 sets and even up in the 3rd set. Why? Because 46 attack points so far, limiting Philippine Navy to only 14 in the entire game.
Wow.
That's really big wow talaga. Yeah, hindi lang marami na produce nila. Na-limit pa nila yung kabila, 'di ba? Imagine 14, that's just almost 5 attack points per set so far.
That's right. So the most of Navy really, they can't, actually it's more of also their reception isn't there.
Yun nga talaga, nahihirapan din sila because yung mga sa atake nitong Sandugo, like that, like yung atake dyan from the middle ni Taiwan. Kasi kahit hindi siya malakas na malakas, maganda yung angle because ang laki.
Right.
So, saka mabilis eh. Mabilis yung dating.
A good serve by Ruby De Leon. This looks like a free ball. One more time for Taiwan.
Ruby De Leon giving it to the tallest girl in front. Well, even in the league siguro.
Oh, I probably she is the tallest. Ruby De Leon, another.
Oh, that's going to go out.
Serves it wide, 22-13. Navy just wants to end this. It's not over. But if you're Navy, you'd want 1 point at a time.
Oh, but Angela Benting says otherwise.
Angela Benting says, I want 1 point at a time to get to 25.
Yeah.
Modi don't look now in the front line of Sandugo. Suzanne Roses is back.
Hindi pa enough na si Benting at si Bautista yun nandun.
Oh.
But Sue Roses coming back to attack.
And they're still giving it to her.
Susan on the drop.
Wow, oh, sayang. Nice save. But si Benting, you know, parang vertical lang eh. She was able to get her to backpedal far enough to get a perfect approach, but she still gets the kill. And we are now at match point with Taiwan. Calino
Going down the line, getting that one. Masyadong pasok si Jeng Boli for defense.
That's right, and they get that kill. But it's still a commanding 10-point lead for Sandugo. Nasale, Bautista, Benting. Good block. Good save.
Good save too. Chance for Sandugo to close this game.
And they do.
They do. Angela Benting putting a period in this game. Sandugo winning it in 3.
That's right, 3 sets. And this is our Shakey's Shake and Play. Ruby De Leon goes to Angie Benting. And that's all she wrote. Sandugo prevails here in 3 straight sets.